Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can change your phone number in WhatsApp. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes and write comments under this video. So, let us get started with you. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Then go to Settings. Then Accounts. And then Change Number. After that, press Next, and at the top you'll need to press or rather enter the number that you currently have active, that you currently have WhatsApp on. After you maintain it, in the next line at the bottom, you will need to maintain a new phone number. This is also where you'll be able to change the country if you click at the top, above the number. You'll be able to choose the country that you are comfortable with. Now click Next. And here, in the next step, you are asked if you want to notify your contacts, all your contacts that you have, you're on WhatsApp, and your friends that you're changing your phone number. If yes, then you will need to activate this function here and select all your contacts or only, for example, your favorites. I do not want to do that, so I will not activate this feature. After that, click Next. Now you will be asked if this is the correct number. You will need to click Yes. After which you will be sent an SMS message to your new number with a code that you will need to enter in WhatsApp. Once you enter this 6-digit code, you will change your number in WhatsApp. Friends, this is how you can easily change your number in WhatsApp. I really hope this video helped you and that it was useful for you. Friends, put likes, don't forget to write comments and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.